This is the premium snack crate. It comes with a drink, the Fanta. The flavor is apple and berry. So we have a Ruffle chips. Before I even go to the snacks, I'm skipping the pamphlet. This pamphlet, they always give you like a pamphlet on the country and a couple of cute little stickers. Back to the snacks. So the next snack we have here is like a candy straw. We have gummy bears, well, gummy emojis, Oreo biscuit wafers. I really can't wait to try these. And we have this. I really don't try to pronounce them because they are kind of confusing and I don't want to butcher nobody's culture. These, they look like Cheez-Its. This now is tambourine, which I'm familiar with. Little candies. We have a chocolate strawberry candy bar. We have this, which is I think banana and caramel candy bar. A coconut candy bar. I guess this is supposed to be like a grilled cheese cracker snack. And then we have these three, I believe these are peanuts with coconut. Little chewies. I don't even know which one to try first. I do not want to try the Oreo one. I'm gonna go ahead and try these Pit Stop Ricciardo, and this is the grilled cheese snack. So this is how it looks. That really, it tastes like I don't know, it just tastes like spoiled cheese. To be trying is this one because I really need to take this other taste out my mouth. For real, for real. It tastes like strawberry and it has a very not too sweet, not too sour taste. Boom! This one is gonna taste good. I know you're gonna like this one. Now that I open it, it looks like it's gonna be a chew candy. Something like a Starburst. Mine is melted. Okay, that one, this one is good. If you guys like Laffy Taffy, you guys will like this. Just by the little figurine. Yeah, so I just hope that it tastes good. Have you guys ever eaten like a Reese's Pieces and you like eating all the chocolate around it and then you finally taste the centerpiece? It tastes it tastes so much like that. And to try, that I'm gonna try will be this one. And I'm guessing this one is the banana mixed with chocolate. Which I don't know how to feel about that one because it's like, who would think to eat banana with chocolate? And I love Twix. It looks like Twix bar. I just want to open it to see if I do see the banana, which I really don't. All I'm seeing is like a fudge inside. guys, this one is a no-no for me. Go with the Ruffles. And I'm not gonna lie, you can't go wrong with Ruffles. Like, I like the, but what's that flavor called? I like the sour cream. The sour cream and onion. Oh, with the cheese in it. Yeah, something like that. But you guys know what I'm talking about. And I like the barbecue. They have a barbecue one, and that one will be banging. Based on the appearance, it looks like plain Ruffles. It tastes good and bad. I mean, how to explain it? It tastes like fresh chicken. It just tastes like it shouldn't be a flavor. Subconsciously, I'm over here ripping off this one, and I didn't even show you guys the packaging. But this is the emoji gummy bears. And how I feel about gummy bears, you can't go wrong with gummy bears. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? It's a thumbs up. Oh. And it has a little coconut logo on it. So I'm guessing it is a chocolate bar with coconut in it. Let me break it in half and see what's. Ooh, okay. See, I was right. It kind of resembles a Mound bar. Excuse me. That one is really good. Paired off with these. I hope these taste good because I like Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its are very good. It looks like a little cereal rather than a snack. This one is the best out of all of them. The one I'm going to try is this Talento, and I'm guessing it's a chocolate bar with strawberry filling. It tastes good, but the strawberry filling, it has a lot of hard pieces that kind of just throws off the whole taste of it. It doesn't taste that bad, to be honest, but it's the filling, the texture of it. If you're a texture person like me, you wouldn't enjoy it. This is the drink, which is Fanta, and I'm guessing that's the apple and the berries. Boo, come try this. Doesn't taste bad, but it's not the best. Okay, but this is how it looks. So I'm going to try. No. This one, it seems to be like a sweet caramel with peanut and sugar. Last but not least, I said the best for last because I love Oreos. Like, I love cookies and cream, ice cream, the candy bar, everything. So here it is. It does look like a little, like I said, a little Kit Kat. It tastes good. It's just not what I expected it to taste like. It tastes good while eating it, but it does have an aftertaste. This one would have to be the winner. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye.